the native form validations. It's already know all of things means no need JavaScript for basic validations like input type email equal to required. If given the required means if given the submit button like given the yeah, okay, I'm already given. If given two input tags, then we have to given the submit button. If not given anything in name and email means it will be given the submit means it will be show the please fill the field. Not given any validation JS or anything in messages. It will be given the required only means it will be show this type. It's already no, but it will be last 5 years it will be developed in this. Then modern CSS features we have to using for CSS nesting and has select of container queries. What it means is like text wrap balance is a better typography. Text lines are evenly distributed, looks clean. If also I'm given this in this code, yeah, like given the paragraph tag, it will be given the lorem paragraph. Like given the like so much of paragraphs, so it will be text wrap line. Given the CSS, hmm, text wrap equal to balance means it will be oh it's not working. Yesterday it's working. It will be split in on center of the text. It will be how the paragraph it will be show means it will be split equally. Like the voluntary it should be started this end. It will be text wrap balance means, but it's not working. Checking button check and scroll content key animations text wrap line. The issue.
You can go there and inspect it. You, you
Okay,
can go
one
there and
second.
inspect it. The class is coming or not?
Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. Let me check. It's working. It's replying. Yeah, this time it will be show. Given the long type paragraph means that time it will be generated like split evenly. See the difference? See the difference, bro. Everyone, can you hear me?
Hello. Hello.
guys.
Tanushree, Taufik,
Yeah.
Yes, bro.
Madhuri. If if
Yes,
someone
yes.
asks to you, simply reply. You can't able to reply, then you can tell.
Yeah, everyone, you can see this difference, this text graph balance.
Yes, bro. Yes, yes, we can see. Yes, yes.
Then the scroll animations, animation elements when the scrolling, no JS is needed. When the animations it will be working means it will be scrolled about the top to bottom. That time it will be scrolled. Animations it will be box. Animation fade in, given the name in fade in, 2 seconds linear. Then animation timeline equal to view. That keyframes animation fade in from opacity 0 to opacity 1. We given the this place also. Yeah, okay. You can see this. Yeah, of course, it's a front end developer.
Yes.
Yeah, these
Yes.
things we have to. It's if scrolling time, it will be like show that the opacity is 0. If scrolling time, it will be like little bit. No, the opacity equal to 1. That's the animation view. It will be okay. Scroll animation given the August content is developer is a scroll animation I've given. Animations, it's a fad in, it's a name of these things given the any name in a fad in. So once again linear. The animation time, the animation timeline view. This is the main thing. It will be working at keyframes like the same time from to which place to which place. That time it will be fad opacity 0 and that opacity 1. These things not given any JS.
Akash, can you explain that animation timeline view?
Yeah, this is things like given the animation names, like animation transition, that type of it will be given.
No, I'm asking you have called a method something, na? So I'm not understanding that line.
What I don't know.
Um, in that animation
Uh,
timeline, you have
yeah,
given view method, right? So that one I didn't get.
yeah. This is the CSS things like given the name of that animations. Given once again linear, that type it also given that animation timeline is a new thing, like not given the any JS. It will be scrolling time, it will be working the animation timeline view. Then given the color mix or give if you given the two colors, it will be mixing to like given the yellow and green, it will be getting the output like blue or anything, like given the same things. What is the given two colors, it will be given the given the output is the third color. So the things it will be color mixing. Means two colors directly in CSS, it will be getting the third color. It will be new thing in CSS, like button. This button, check button. If it will be like a violet color, but I given what is the color means. Yeah, box button, background color mix. I given the color mix there in SRG for radiant RGB, like red, green, blue. That type of given the sRGB. It will be given the right colors of like 50% blue, and then 15% like red, green, blue. It will be given directly on blue. So red also it will be given at 50%. Like that time it will be given like violet, yeah, violet color. I'm given the red and blue color. It will be color mixing. That type it will be show the output of like violet color. That is the color mixing. It will be using this.
Where is button? You added that
This check.
color, no?
What bro?
Where you added the color?
Check button.
Okay.
This bottom left side.
Hmm.
Then JavaScript evaluations, like continuously improving in every year, like big changes of 2015 to after then things. Very small improvements like examples of ES6, like let const arrow functions and optional chaining and top level await it will be using. Old way we have to using for where name equal to user and user operator and unknown operator, like user dot profile and an operator user dot profile dot name. If any value is in null means if user null or anything undefined or anything means stop and return the value. It will be let me given the stop. Cannot given undefined or null anything. It will be in old way. Cannot given anything. So these things. The new way what is given means like optional chaining operator we have to using for user user dot name dot profile. It will be automatically checks each levels. If anything is missing means return undefined only. If or anything user is undefined or null means it will be getting only undefined. But this time it will be getting not given any result. It will be stop runs. Anything it will be missing means. Then optional chaining it avoids error when assessing the nested data. These things are given already above the top of these things like user equal to empty array and then const empty object, then const name equal to user profile name. Given anything it will be given the name of equal to undefined. If null coercing means default value or null for null or undefined, it will be given the another value like using for ternary operator. So the thing it will be given this type. Const name null, given the value it can given null. It will be guessed. The console dot name equal to it will be then guessed. Yeah, why? Because it will given the null. Any value of nothing value in this place. So guessed is the value of name.